Hey everybody, this is Robert at PropheticSeer.com. I just wanted everybody to know that they have permission to download all of my videos off of my YouTube channel and re-upload them to their own. I give you absolute and complete permission to take and redistribute, re-upload, get as many views as you can on your own channel. You can favorite it, but I would rather you just download it and re-upload it. Don't forget the show. This is amazing video footage that has never been seen. www.PropheticSeer.com. Blessings.
I remember getting a call from the fire department commander telling me that they were not sure they were going to be able to contain the fire. I said, you know, we've had such terrible loss of life. Maybe the smartest thing to do is pull it. And they made that decision to pull, and then we watched the building collapse.